it's Monica, and welcome back to Tailor-Made Cards for You. So today I'm going to go ahead and do the drawing for the fall blog hop that we had, and I apologize. I know that I'm running a little bit behind, but I have been busy taping my 12 Days of Christmas, which is going to be starting next month, and I'll give you some more information on that in a few minutes. But first I wanted to remind you what I was going to give away for the fall blog or fall video hop. And of course it was this little journal that I made that has all sorts of fun pieces of ephemera in it. And I'm going to give this away to one person. And since I am running a little bit behind, I decided to also give away the digital kit that has some of this ephemera, so you can create some of your own designs as well. So I'm going to actually give away three things. I'm going to give away this journal to the first person, and then I'm going to give away 2 digital kits to the second and the third person. Now, before I do the drawing, I wanted to share with you another design. Now, I don't know about the rest of you, but whenever I get myself hooked on a design that I like, I tend to get a little carried away. And this is no different. You guys know that I would make a lot of passport cards, and I made my passport cards in so many designs. Well, this little journal has just really got my heart, and I just love creating these little envelopes and pieces of ephemera to go inside my little journal. So I decided to create a Christmas one. Now, I'm going to have these in my Etsy shop, but I'm also going to have kits so you guys can create your own journals. And I'm going to give you everything that you need other than the glue. You're going to have to supply your own glue. But you're going to get different designs, and you're going to be able to get a kit where you can put these together. And of course, you'll have my videos to follow along and help you along the way. So if you are interested in creating one of these little Christmas journals, I will have these up in my shop, and I'll link below. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the winners. Now, the first winner of this is Robyn M. Pitts. And Robyn, if you can contact me at my email address, I'll put some information on the video below, so you can go ahead and get a hold of me for your prize. Now, like I said, I'm going to give away a digital kit to 2 other people, and the 2 other people that I'm going to give them to are Stef, Larame, and Bonnie Myers. And again, I will leave your names at the end of the video, so that way if you're not understanding who I'm saying, you'll at least see it in writing. Now, as far as my 12 Days of Christmas, I decided that I'm going to go ahead and start it on November the 9th. I've already got about 6 videos taped, I think, some about halfway through, and I've already got ideas for some extra ones. But I'm going to go ahead and start it on November the 9th, and I'm going to run a video every other day. And we'll end it on November 30th. And then on November 30th, I'm going to end it with a video hop with some of my crafty friends. So not only will you be able to see videos, you know, from me, you'll be able to see them from other crafters as well. And hopefully that will give you lots of inspiration for your Christmas crafting. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Like I said, I just wanted to get on and do my drawing and give you some information. And don't forget, if you want to create your own little Christmas mini journal, I will have kits in my shop, and I'll link that for you below. All right, guys, thanks so much, and we'll see you again next time.